Big or small, CW3 offers premium web hosting plans to fit your needs. Our servers and technology meet or exceed all industry standards, such as RAID configuration and PCI compliance for maximum performance. We also back up all web pages, databases, emails, and website settings that can be downloaded anytime. Our web hosting plans are designed for businesses, and we offer the best business class web hosting available with 99.8% uptime and 24/7 high performance. We also feature the state-of-the-art cPanel control panel that lets you easily manage all aspects of your site. As a bonus, we also include the Softaculous application installer, which makes it a snap to install hundreds of different apps to your site. The starter plan is perfect for small businesses that want a powerful presence on the internet without paying excessive prices. And don't forget, we offer other services like domain registration, web design, and SSL certifications. So come check us out at www.cw3hosting.com today. CW3 Web Hosting.